Hi, after a long wait, I received my new board, the DragonBoard 820C, and this video will show the unboxing of this marvel, the successor of the DragonBoard 410C. So let's see what's inside. Of course, the usual paperwork is included. A little pouch. It did not come with a power supply, but I have the suggested 96 board suggested power supply that is 12 volts and 2 amp. And whoop, there it is. Nice. Voila, the new DragonBoard 820C. I can't wait to develop pretty cool IoT and IoMT applications for our startup called Telecuris. These applications will provide affordable and quick telediagnostic services for millions of people. Thanks for the video. Bye.